Welcome to another episode of Psych Review with your host Akira Hawkins
and Autumn Griffin.
Today we're going to be discussing Ivan Pavlov's classical conditioning. Before we get too in-depth into our experiment, we will talk about different terms associated with classical conditioning.
Classical conditioning is a type of learning in which an organism comes to associate different stimuli that it does not control and responds automatically.
The neutral stimulus in classical conditioning is a stimulus which initially produces no specific response other than focusing attention. When used together with an unconditioned stimulus, the neutral stimulus becomes a conditioned stimulus. The unconditioned stimulus in classical conditioning is a stimulus that unconditionally, naturally, and automatically triggers a response. And the last stimulus is the conditioned stimulus, an originally irrelevant stimulus that after association with an unconditioned stimulus comes to trigger a conditioned response.
An unconditioned response is the unlearned naturally occurring response to the unconditioned stimulus. A conditioned response is the learned response to a previously neutral stimulus. Now we'll show you our experiment.